guys, in front of me is HONOR X6b, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold, and just wait till your phone is rebooted. So as you can see, it has been switched off. Then you will be able to feel a smooth vibration. And once you see a logo, just remove fingers from buttons and wait till your HONOR is rebooted. You'll be able to use it smoothly again within a couple of seconds. Now provide your lock screen pattern, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.